welcome back. Today I'll be doing a Valentine's Day mani using Hemlock Nail Co. I'm going to begin with my peel base from Kozmik nails. While that dries, I do want to mention that Hemlock Nail Co. has split into two different companies. The first one is Hematite Dip Co. and the other one is Galaxy of Glitters. I will link both of those down below. Once that's completely dry, we can go in with our first layer of base coat. For today's color, I'm going to be using Pearl. I ordered this in a sample size, so I did transfer it into a jar of my own. So I do not wear pink. It is not my go-to color at all. It's the last color that I would ever choose. And I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone a little bit, and I'm really liking the color of this. It has a really pretty shimmer to it. I'm going to go in with my second layer, and I will see you in a bit. So while I was at work, I was trying to think of what to do for my Valentine's Day mani. I really wanted to try out candy hearts, but as I was doing this mani, I was getting more and more tired, and I was on half a pot of coffee at this point. And I'm pretty sure I was already at like 3 hours of doing my nails at this point because I did a builder gel extension on this hand before this. I really wanted to try out a different shape for my Valentine's Day mani, and because I was going to be off work for a few days so I could have them this long. But yeah, so by the time I was done applying color, I was completely out of energy. I still wanted to do some sort of nail art, but there was no way I was going to be doing candy hearts. So now I'm going to encapsulate all of my nails with Ultra Clear from Kozmik Nails. Then I'm going to go in and activate. So I'm just going to go in and file. I'm going to speed up the rest of this part here. So this is what it looks like all filed. Now I'm going to go in with this scrubby brush and make sure I get all of the extra dust off. For my nail art, I'm going to go in with Great Smoky Mountain, Tennessee from D&D Gel Polish. I'm also going to go in with Bluebell. So then I'm just going to take my dotting tool and just create 3 dots, and then I will connect them. And I'm going to place a couple of these on each nail just in random places. And so I don't mess up after each nail, I am going to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. This is what all of them look like. So now I will finish it with my gel top coat from Kozmik Nails. And this is the final look. I think the shape and the length of these nails really pulled together this look. Everything will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.